Hey, how's it going? And today I thought it would be cool to show you how to create a loading splash screen. And you see this when Unreal Engine comes on for the first time where you're installing it, a splash screen comes on. I've seen tutorials and other things where people have custom ones and it's super cool. I think it just adds a layer of professionalism and customization to your game. When I'm talking about the splash screen, I've just got 5.3 going right here, but look, I'm going to hit launch the editor, right? This screen right here that comes up. This is the screen I'm talking about. That you can make this custom. And I think it's just a really nice touch. That's the stock one. But if you come in here, I have one in here. So look, I'll go start my game and this is my custom loading screen. Now I have to tell you there was some problems I had in getting this to work. And I want to show you how I got it to work. Now, I've seen some other tutorials where people swap out the main image file in Unreal Engine itself. You shouldn't do that. You should probably just keep it in your individual game or project versus swapping out the image in Unreal Engine itself. But this is for a per project loading screen. So I think you should have it in your individual game. So I'll be back in just a minute and I'll show you how you do this. Okay, so to get started with this, first of all, you're going to need a custom screen. You can really, I think, make it any size you want to make it, but this is just the same size as the default screen that comes with Unreal Engine, and it's 720 by 370. And you can create either a PNG, a BMP, or a JPEG file. Either one of those should work. Unreal Engine uses BMP by default, but I've seen people also use PNGs as well. In fact, I think it might even convert to a PNG once you bring in the bump. So create that image, whatever it is that you want or desire, go ahead and create your custom screen. Okay, so now we're ready to get started. So I'm just going to go ahead and go launch. And we're going to start the editor, of course. And this just is the default screen. And we can swap this out if we want. And I'm just going to go ahead and create a new game here. And I'll just leave it called My Project 3. I've had to do this several times today. I had an issue with the editor not seeing my image file. And so this was the only way that I could actually get it to work. So here we are, and I'm just on the content level here. So we created a project. So the first thing, we've got our image. Now we've created a project, and I actually already have a copy of my image ready to go. And all I need to do now is paste it. So what I'm going to do, what you have to do is we got to go back into the file level here, and we're going to go to our Unreal projects, and here's my project 3, and I'm going to click into the content level folder right here, and then I'm just going to right click and I'm going to paste. So that's my custom image that I've created, and it's a BMP file. So once that's done, I'm going to go back into the editor, and you're going to see we're going to get this message. And it's going to ask if I'd like to import it, and the answer is yes. And there's going to be right there. Now that message is going to pop up again, but we'll disable it. Otherwise it'll keep popping up. So once it's here, you could also put it in a folder, whatever you want to do. But now this image is going to be tied to this project. So I didn't have to change the image in the actual engine itself. So then what we do is we just come up here to Edit, Project Settings, and we'll search for Splash. And here's our splash screen. So you notice it's for different platforms. So I'm on Windows. So if I click here, I should see that image. And there it is right there. Now when I did this before, I wasn't seeing that image when I clicked on here. So this is the only way I could get it when the file isn't sourced anywhere but inside the file itself. Just the file itself has to be in here. If it's sourced outside of here, I don't think it'll show up. So I'm changing it on that. It's saying that it's noticed a change. We've already imported it, so I'm going to say don't ask again and don't import. And then I'm just going to simply close out of here. And now what we're going to do is just restart the game. And here we are. So I'm going to go ahead and restart. Now I didn't change the splash screen on the engine. I only changed it on my project, right? So we're only going to see it on my project. So if I come up here, I think it was my project 3, you should see my custom splash screen. There it is right there. And that's all there is to it, I would say. So everything looks good. So anyway, I hope you found this helpful. Take care, have a great day, and I'll talk to you next time. Hey, I wanted to show you one thing before I go. If you come into where Unreal Engine is installed on your computer and you go into Engine and you go into Content and we scroll down here to Splash Screen, here's where you could actually swap out the splash screen for your engine itself. But like I said, I don't think you want to do that because it's just going to pop up every time your engine pops up. What we're trying to do is just customize the screens for our game and for the editor, not for the engine every time it starts up. So anyway, I hope you found this helpful. Take care, have a great day, and I'll talk to you next time.